Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This side Abhinav, you are watching RK Methods. In the previous video, we will discuss some basic concept and basic points of the chapter bot and stream. In today's video, we will further extend the lecture and do some important questions. So let's start the question. Our first question is, a boat travel upstream 16 km in 4 hours. Find time take to cover the same distance downstream given that the speed of stream in still water is 1 by 5th of stream of boat in still water. So let's start the solution. First we have given that upstream speed of upstream is given that distance upon time, which is equal to 16 km divided by 4 hours, which is equal to 4 km per hour. Our second hint is to cover same distance, speed of downstream is equal to, as we previously know, that b plus w, which is equal to b plus b by 5, which is equal to 6b plus 5 km per hour. So now we have know that upstream speed is 4 km, which is equal to 4 is equal to speed of upstream b minus w, which gives that b minus b by 5, which implies 4b by 5 is equal to 4, which gives b is equal to 5 km per hour. Now we calculate the speed of downstream, which is equal to 6b by 5. So speed of downstream 6 by 5 of b, and what is b is 5. So speed of downstream is 6 km per hour. Now the question is time taken to cover same distance. Distance is 16 km. So time taken is time is equal to distance upon time, distance upon speed. Here distance is 16 km and the speed is 6 km per hour, which gives that 2.66 km per hour. Here our second question is that a man can row against the stream in 15 minutes and along the stream in 10 minutes. Find the ratio of his speed to boat. First, let's take the boat. The man moves from point A to point B, which is d distance apart from each other. Secondly, let the upstream speed is man speed minus boat speed, man speed minus stream speed. The time is given 15 minutes. So time is distance upon speed here distance is d and the speed of upstream is man speed minus water stream speed, which is equal to 15 d divided by man minus w, equation number 1. Secondly, here along the stream, which means downstream, is given that 10 minutes, which is equal to distance upon time. Distance is d, distance upon speed, and the speed of downstream is man speed plus stream speed. So here 10 is equal to d divided by m plus w. Second, now take d is equal to 10 man plus stream is equal to d. Put in equation 1. 15 is equal to 10 m plus w divided by m minus w. Here m plus w divided by m minus w is equal to 3 by 2. Now divide the whole equation with W. So we get m by W plus 1 divided by m by W minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Here m by W plus 1 is equal to thrice of m by W plus 1. No, it's 2. Twice of m by W plus 1 is equal to thrice of m by W minus 1. Here 2m by W plus 2 is equal to 3m by W minus 3. So 3m minus W minus 2m by W is equal to 5. m by W is equal to 5 divided by 1. So the ratio of main speed to the stream speed is equal to 5:1, which is our answer. So here our next question is question number 3. Is given that Ramesh can row 36 km upstream in 10 hours and 60 km downstream in same time 10 hours. Find the speed of upstream. Firstly, we are given that upstream 36 km in 10 hours. So speed of upstream is equal to distance divided by time. We have given that we have know that speed of upstream is equal to B minus W, which is equal to 36 divided by 10. Let's take equation number 2. Now second point is that speed of downstream is equal to 60 km divided by 10 hours same time. Here B plus W is equal to 6. Equation number 2. Now add these two. Equation 1 plus equation 2. We get that 2B is equal to 3.6 plus 6. 2B is equal to 9.6. B is equal to 4.8 km per hour. Now we have asked that speed of upstream. We know speed of upstream is W. So finding W. Put B equal to 4.8 in equation number 2. So B plus W is equal to 6, where B is 4.8 plus W is equal to 6. So here W is that 1.2 km per hour, which is the answer of our question, which is option number C. So here our next question is question number 4. In a river, the ratio of speed of stream to the speed of boat in still water is 2:5. For another boat, the ratio is same 3:4. Find the ratio of speed of two boats in still water. So let's first take the ratio 2:5. So speed of stream. Let speed of stream in still water is equal to W. Speed of boat 1, say B1, is equal to B1, and speed of another boat 2 is equal to B2. Here given that ratio of stream to the ratio of boat 1 in still water is 2:5, and the second is ratio of stream to the ratio of boat 2 is equal to 3:4. Since here the river is same, so speed of stream is also same, so we have to make this quantity same. Now multiply here by 3 and here by 2. We get that W by B1 is equal to 6 by 15, and here W by B2 is equal to 6 by 8. Now the speed of stream is same. Let's take the ratio. Here B1 is equal to 15 W divided by 6, and here B2 is equal to 8 W divided by 6. Now we have asked the ratio of speed of two boats, which means that B1 ratio by B2, which is equal to B1 is that 15 W by 6, and what is the B2? 8 W divided by 6, which is equal to 15 W divided by 8 W, which implies that B1 ratio B2 is equal to 15 divided by 8. Hence the ratio of speed of boat 1 to the speed of boat 2 in still water is 15:8, which is our answer. So here we have the today's last question of this video. A man can row 20 km per hour in still water, where the speed of stream is 5 km per hour. Find the ratio of downstream and upstream speed. Let first speed of man in still water, which is equal to, let's say, m km per hour. Also speed of stream is equal to w km per hour. Now it is given that m is equal to 20 km per hour and w is given as 5 km per hour. From the previous video we know that the downstream speed is equal to speed of man plus speed of stream, because downstream is, according to the definition of downstream, man is moving along the flowing river or stream flowing, which is m plus w. Now similarly the upstream speed is m minus w km per hour. Now the question is the ratio. What is the ratio? So downstream divided by upstream, which is equal to m plus w divided by m minus w, which is given that 25. 20 plus 5 divided by 20 minus 5, which is equal to 25 by 15. On solving we get 5 by 3, which is our ratio, which is equal to 5:3. So here now in today's video we will deal with some previously asked question. In the next video we will do some more question of boat and stream. Till then, like, share and subscribe the channel.